This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Microsoft Word. To begin, navigate to the Home tab in your Word document. Look for the font group, which is typically located near the center of the ribbon. In the bottom right corner of this group, you will find a small arrow. Click on this arrow to open the comprehensive font dialog box, where all your font customization options reside. Once the font dialog box is open, you can begin selecting your new default. First, choose your desired font from the font drop-down menu, perhaps Calibri or Times New Roman. Next, select the font style, such as regular, bold, or italic, to suit your preference. Finally, set the font size to your preferred value, for example, 11 or 12 points. These selections will define the look of your text. Now for the crucial step to make your changes permanent. In the bottom left corner of the font dialog box, you will see a button labeled Set as Default. Click this button. A small pop-up window will appear, presenting you with two options. To ensure all new documents use your chosen font, select All Documents based on the normal template. This action will apply your settings broadly, not just to your current file. After selecting all documents based on the normal template, you will need to confirm your choice. A final confirmation dialog box will appear, asking you to verify your decision. Simply click OK to save your new default font settings. From this moment forward, every new document you create in Microsoft Word will automatically open with your newly selected font, style, and size, streamlining your workflow significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.